Your bank account needs the strongest lock. Setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for Chase adds a critical second layer of security beyond your password. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Log into your Chase online account. Go to Profile and Settings, or Security. Look for Two-Step Verification, or Security Preferences. You can choose to receive a one-time passcode via text message, SMS, or, more securely, through an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. Once enabled, you'll enter your password and the temporary code whenever you log in from an unrecognized device. My crucial pro tip: opt for an authenticator app over SMS. Text messages can be vulnerable to SIM swap attacks where a hacker takes over your phone number. An authenticator app generates codes offline on your device, making it far more secure. It's a small change for a massive security upgrade. Put a virtual deadbolt on your financial accounts. Have you enabled 2FA on all your sensitive accounts yet? For more guides on locking down your digital life, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.